Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon Prime unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. My Amazon affiliate link will be down below. Click on that, see what other goodies they have to offer besides this item. But if you'd like this item added to your cart now, they have a code or a coupon you can click and you get a certain percentage off. I'm not sure what it was, but definitely check that out. And hopefully you guys had a good day so far. Everybody is safe. And hopefully someone comes really rich tonight with the Mega Millions. But you never know how that stuff goes. So here we go, guys. Let's see what's inside this bag. And stab it a few times. There we go. It is Friday. So here we go. Got a box. Oh boy. Ooh. Ultra HD LED projector. LED 4K. Smart wireless projection. Ooh, baby. This is a nice looking one. So you know what this means. We gotta set this up downstairs and swap out the old projector. Ultra HD. A lot of stuff going on this weekend to watch. So definitely gonna be testing it out on some like wrestling and stuff like that. It's Friday night. We know it's SmackDown and AEW Rampage. And then we got other SummerSlam this weekend. And then Ric Flair's last match forever. And movies, of course, you know. Video games you could do. Ooh, a nice little travel. Take this on the road with you. Indoor, outdoor, I do believe. But it'll be on the description also when you click on the link. Okay, there we go. Drop it down like it's sense. There we go. Alright. Alright, this is nice. I got some stuff in here. HDMI, power, and remote. Really nice. You get a nice little slot right there to put stuff in. And then, ooh, manual. Don't need it. You guys might, but you never know. Pretty good size. There we go. This is vinyl number. Oh, this is XGody. XGody. Oh, yeah. Look at that. Got the power right there. Got the turn knob right here. Plastic right here, so make sure you take off the plastic piece. I don't know if you guys can see it, but that's plastic. Just gotta pull it right there. There's a blue little marker. I'm not sure if you can see it because the sun's acting up today. Really bright. There's an IR sensor. 2 HDMIs, which is a good thing. USB, 2 spots, AV, and headset. Here's the bottom. You could use a projector stand, screw it on, or you could use a top. I just got a normal one, so I'll show you how to put that one on. It's easy. But I don't have anything that screws in like this, so we'll use it my way, which works. So, but yeah, super light, definitely a good one. And now, what is that, Alexa? Things are rocking this early. It's just a weird week. And then the month is just around the corner. So this will probably be the final few videos of this month. But definitely take advantage of the sale they got going on. XGody, they got like cell phones, smart tablets. You name it, at good prices too. Really nice controller. Super slim. Feels good. Oh yeah. I don't know if you guys can see because it was light, but here we go. Size batteries. AAAs. I'll get those once I go downstairs. So like I said, you can use a screen or no screen. It all depends on what you have set up. So here's the bolt. Comes with a... Oh, wait a minute. That's for this. And you can act like a mini tripod stand for it. Just gotta screw it in all the way to your likings, and it will stand like this so I can see. Ooh. There we go. Adds a little drop to it right there. I don't know if you guys can see it. So what that does. So when you open that bag, make sure that screw is in your possession so you won't lose it. Kids won't choke on it, or your dog won't eat it, or your cat. Well, that's what it looks like, but like I said, I already got a stand, so we'll just close it up. You can close it up all the way to there so I could flush mount in, which is really nice. So this is a nice one. And like I said, make sure you just take off these stickers. Ooh. That would be cool if that would light up all the LED, RGB right there, but it doesn't. I think this lights up. And then, like I said, got to remove this one. I think this is under $200 with the plus the coupon. So really great deal they got going on now. And look at that, bada boom. Bluetooth. You could do the mirroring off your phone. We'll check what else. There's a lot of things you could do. You could do the screencast for Android phone, wireless screen for iPhone. See what's the size. Not sure if it tells the size on it, but it'll show the size once you click on the link. It'll bring it up to the description. Wi-Fi connect, HDMI and Bluetooth connection. Screencast, I already said. Android, iOS. You could connect your laptops and all that good stuff. Video game consoles. Dang it, does it show? Okay, so pretty much gotta put the batteries in. Take this downstairs, set it up for a few, and we'll be back.